So I ended up just reprinting a whole new one right here. And instead of using my resin, this was printed on my resin printer. This one actually was printed on the Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro. And I've learned a few lessons. The resin printer, I could have printed this probably just the way it is. This one I had to actually print these two pieces separate, but I mean, it wasn't a problem. And I just glued it together. This is just the spacer that fits right in here and sort of line up the bolt holes. So it wasn't very crucial, but it helps me just drill in the bolt holes so I get them all lined up. So we moved, so this was the original one, and it had this one higher than this one. We moved this guy down here on this one. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like when they move around and see what happens. Now this is not hooked onto the driver or anything. I'm just hooking the wires straight inside and basically hot wiring the actuator. So let's see, this one is, let's go ahead and move this guy because he's all the way down. So let's power him up and push him up a tiny bit. See how it functions. Well, and this was what I was kind of getting to. I actually found out after doing this, after printing that this one didn't push up enough. But I'm like, oh, do I have to go back to this one? I actually don't. So this one is all the way up. I can actually push this down by pushing that down more and control where each one of those go. No, I cannot do that. Because let's see. This is all the way up. Yeah. So this would actually work better if I push this down. Because this can still go up a tiny bit more. That is actually a tiny bit up that way, so this goes down a tiny bit. This can go down. We can cut that tiny bit, push that down, and push both of these in the position where it should be by pushing that down a tiny bit and pulling that down. And it should work. We're going to try it out, see if it works, and we'll make another video of it getting in the right position. Because with these both extended out, let's push this one all the way out too. And that's actually pushed all the way out. So this is you can't really tell, but this is at kind of an angle this way. A little of an angle going down this way, but it can go a lot more. And with that all the way out, let's go ahead and pull these out and see where we got it. So this guy can go all the way this way, and this can go all the way this way. So we can actually go down. I want to say we can go down. Probably we need to go down because it would be, this is a tiny bit more than where it's going to be flat, and 10 by more on this one is going to be at a neutral position. So I want to say we need to go down probably that far, which would be this much on this. So basically we need to take that much out of here, and this will be able to move down more, and the neck will be able to go in a neutral position, and we should get full range on the actuators, if that makes any sense. So basically in simple terms, we just need to cut a tiny bit off of this or reprint it, but we're not going to reprint it. We're just going to cut a tiny bit off of it. And the robot should be able to move its neck up and down at a full range. So I just wanted to update. not subscribing to me, please subscribe and please give me a thumbs up.